Geno Pit Adventures. I'm still Geno and still my adventures. I'd like to send a shout out to Dan at Vagabond Awake. Thank you very much for the interview that you did with me, Dan. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your subs coming over and watching my channel. Thank you, brother. If anybody hasn't seen Dan and my's interview, there's a link in the description. Click on it. You'll enjoy it. And so that brings me to the point of the day. I got a lot of people calling me and emailing me after my interview with Dan. And the challenge is that there's not enough of me to go around. And so what I did is I put together a kit, Come to Colombia, Retire in Colombia kit on how not to get burned. Coming to Colombia is the name of the kit. And it is basically gives you all the do's and don'ts. Starts off, tells you how to get here, talks to you about visas, talks to you about scams. You don't want to get scammed on Facebook. You don't want to get scammed by realtors here. You don't want to get scammed at the ATM machine. It's the same stuff that happens in the United States, just in Colombia. You'll have a general idea on what cost here, what the food is, what the rent is. Anyway, it's a comprehensive kit, and in that kit, if you buy that kit, it's $19.95. Not very expensive for what you get because it'll save you thousands of dollars if you actually want to move here. If you're serious about coming, in the kit there's also a $25 discount for a video call with me, and it'll be the best 25. So you're basically getting the kit for 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Anyway, I did it because there's just not enough of me to go around, and I wanted to give you something with some meat to it that I wish I'd have had when I got here, because I had to do all the stuff that I show you in my kit. I had to learn all that stuff the hard way. And I really appreciate that you came over and checking out my channel. And hi to all my old subs. You guys can use this too. I get a lot of questions from you guys. This will answer them, almost all of them. And so if you're really serious, down on the bottom, click the link. It'll take you. It's $19.95. Be the best 20 bucks you ever spent, especially if you're really thinking about coming to Colombia. And so with that being said, remember, today is the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing's going to change. And we'll see you on the flip side.